That's a Subhash. Subhash Inamdar from Mumbai.
From Mumbai, okay.
India.
Cool. And you've been all from New York. You sent your bike from India.
Yeah, right.
New York. You rode to Canada.
New York to Canada, Montreal, Ottawa, Niagara to Detroit, Chicago to Yellowstone National Park. After the Yellowstone National Park to Banff National Park in Canada.
Yeah.
Then
to Alaska.
Dawson Creek. To the Dawson Creek.
Dawson Creek, okay.
Where the Alaska Highway starts. There's a 0 mile. That's a great experience at Dawson Creek. And I had completed full Alaska Highway up to the Fairbank, and from Fairbank to Anchorage. And from Anchorage, just I come back towards Vancouver. The British Columbia I like very nicely. From Vancouver to Seattle to Crater Lake. Yeah,
okay.
Crater Lake, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Los Angeles to Las Vegas, Grand Canyon, and Grand Canyon to the Zion National Park, Arches National Park.
Okay.
Arches, after the Arches.
Oh, the Arches, that's Moab, yeah, okay.
Yeah, after the Arches, Denver, and now just we are meeting.
All right.
That's a great thing.
In 53 days.
Yeah, near about 55 days.
Okay, cool.